Kaya naman, kung kayo po ay nag-iisip pa rin kung kailan nyo sisimulan yung Gene Savings Accounts ninyo, huwag nyo na pong patagalin pa dahil talaga naman pong nakakatakot ang mga realidad na maaaring di natin namamalayan. Hello po mga ka-RFF, this is June Fernando from Rank4 Financials. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both crucial and a bit unsettling. The scary truths about saving and investing. Whether you're a financial newbie or kayo po ay isang seasoned investor na, these truths are relevant and eye-opening. Kaya naman, kung kayo po ay nag-iisip pa rin kung kailan nyo sisimulan yung Gene Savings Accounts ninyo, huwag nyo na pong patagalin pa dahil talaga naman pong nakakatakot ang mga realidad na maaaring di natin namamalayan. So, huwag na nating patagalin pa. Simulan na nating alamin kung ano-ano nga ba ang mga ito. Truth number 1, that inflation is the invisible enemy. Inflation po erodes your purchasing power, meaning the money you save today will be worth less in the future. In layman's terms naman po, ang inflation ay tumutukoy sa pagtaas ng pangkalahatang presyo ng mga produkto at serbisyo sa isang ekonomiya sa loob po ng isang panahon. Sa madaling salita, ito ay ang pagbaba ng halaga ng pera kung saan ang halaga ng inyong pera noon ay mas kaunti na ang kayang bilhin sa kasalukuyan. Based on statistics, the Philippines inflation rate averaged around 4% in recent years at noong taong 2021, umabot pa nga po ito sa 4.5%. Kaya di mapagkakaila na ang prices of goods and services could also continue to rise. This is the reason why it's very important that we get to look for a good instrument where we can save or invest our money that could also beat inflation rate. And so, moving on to the next one, truth number 2 is the market is volatile. Investing in stocks can yield high rewards but also comes with high risks. The market's unpredictable swings can be scary for some, especially po for amateur investors. Katulad po noong March 2020, the Philippine Stock Exchange Index fell by over 30% due to the pandemic before it recovered. Ika nga po in investing, totoong konsepto na high risk, high reward. Low risk, low reward. Pag ikaw ay maglalagay ng pera sa isang instrumentong volatile or hindi po guaranteed ang returns, ay pwede kang makaasa ng mas mataas na kita mula rito. On the other hand naman po, if you invest in instruments that are capital protect and very conservative, ay wala ka rin naman pong karapatang umasa na makakakuha ng mataas na returns dito. Dito mo makikita na hindi ka lang dapat nag-i-invest sa iisang instrumento at hindi po porket volatile ito ay kailangan mo na ring iwasan ito. Dapat ay matutunan mong mag-save and invest in different instruments to spread out the risk but at the same time, maximize nyo rin naman po the earnings potentials of your funds. Truth number 3, which is lack of financial literacy. Many people lack the necessary knowledge to make informed financial decisions and this leads to costly mistakes. Base po sa statistics ng World Bank, only 25% of Filipinos lang daw po ang financially literate. This lack of knowledge can be dangerous when managing savings and investments. Kaya naman, importanteng mag-aral, manood ng mga informative na mga palabas, kumonsulta sa mga licensed financial advisors, sumali po sa mga forums or sa mga organisasyong may advokasya about financial literacy at wag lang pong basta-bastang magpapasilaw sa mga matataas na kita or pangako po ng mga taong di natin lubos pang kilala. And so, number 4 is retirement savings shortfall. Many people are not saving enough for retirement, which can lead to financial struggles in their golden years. Karamihan po kasi sa atin ay umaasa na lamang sa social security system or sa mga ibinibigay sa atin ng ating mga kumpanya pagdating ng ating retirement or worse, sa mga anak po natin. Unfortunately, lalo na in the Philippines, these might not be enough for a comfortable retirement. Based on statistics, the average retirement savings of Filipinos was alarmingly low, with many not setting aside the recommended 20% of their income for retirement. Nakakatakot talagang isipin na sa ating pagtanda ay saka lamang natin marirealize na hindi pala naging sapat ang ating mga inipong pera o retirement funds kung kailan ay huli na nga po ang lahat. Kaya naman, let's make sure to always set aside an ample amount of our income for savings and investments that can address these retirement fund concerns. And so last but not the least is truth number 5, which is huge fees can eat away your returns. Alam niyo po that wrong investment products often come with huge fees that reduce your net returns, such as management fees and transaction costs. Ngunit di din naman po tamang iniisip natin na dapat nating totaling iwasan ang mga instrumentong may mga fees, because we need to understand why companies also have these charges, dahil may kapalit din naman pong serbisyo or value-added na mga benepisyo ang mga ito sa atin. Katulad na lamang po ng pagkakaroon ng mga libreng fund management services mula sa mga professional at full-time na mga fund managers. Kung ikaw ay limitado ang nalalaman sa larangan po ng savings and investments, may mga investments na pwede kang paglagyan po ng pera na di ka dapat namumblema dahil may mga eksperto namang mangangalaga nito. Ang nakakatakot pa nga po kung minsan ay kung lahat po ay libre at mataas pa rin ang returns. Di rin po tamang iniiwasan natin ang mga fees na ito, dahil sa pag-iwas natin ay lalo tayong magagastusan kung magganda leche-leche ang ating mga investment decisions. Tandaan lamang natin na kailangan din nating maging mapanuri or mamili ng tamang mga investments na di rin naman abusado or eksayerado ang charges, dahil marami rin naman pong instrumento na available sa market ngayon na tama lamang ang fees, pero ang kapalit naman ito ay peace of mind at mas magandang returns out of our investments. In conclusion, facing these scary truths is the first step towards making more informed financial decisions. By understanding and acknowledging these realities, you can build a solid financial plan that navigates potential pitfalls. Tandaan natin that knowledge is power, and being aware of these truths can guide us towards financial security and success. So there you have it. Sana po ay may natutunan po kayo muli sa ating simpleng video. If you have friends or relatives who are interested in these kinds of contents, we hope you can share this video with them. And for those who haven't pa din po, paki-like lamang po ng aming video, and please subscribe to our social media accounts, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube channels. Dahil habang lumalaki po ang ating community, that also means ay mas marami pa po tayong taong pwede pang matulungan. Muli po, this has been June Fernando, saying thank you so much for watching, for your continued support, and we'll see you in our next video. Stay safe and God bless, mga ka-RFF.